Yo, what's up, man? So today we're going to be cooking a steak medium in 10 minutes. To show you that you can cook any steak well, I got steaks here that were taken straight out of the freezer. And now we've got the seasonings I'll be using: garlic, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Sometimes I use paprika, but not today because of my girlfriend. But I do prefer paprika on my steaks. I think it adds a nice little flavor to it. So just lightly salt it on one side, and then on the other side you're going to want to salt it a little more heavier. Don't be afraid of putting too much garlic or onion powder. It's no big deal, really. You can never put too much on there. It'll never be overpowering. Then put your preference for pepper, and then rub it in the best you can to see what you can get absorbed into the meat. This will help it tenderize. Now get the pan on medium heat and put a little bit of oil on there and wait for it to get hot. Okay, so now it's gotten hot here. Now listen to that sizzle. Yep. That's good sizzle. Flip it. Yeah, you want that nice char on there. All the way through, from top to bottom. You want to layer. Now you want to get all sides on the grill. All sides of the steak. And you want it on the both sides. You want both sides to be cooked on the longest. It doesn't have to cook that long on the rims. So now, right about here, the steaks are done, and I've put the oven to 200 degrees. Now this will help me get my steaks to medium. Now if you want yours well done but still tender, then set yours to 300 maybe. And in a second, these are going to be going in the oven at 5 minutes, for 5 minutes. So I'm putting a stick of butter, or a slice from a stick of butter, on there before I stick it in the oven. And remember, I poked those holes in it to help the butter go through. And you also might have saw me poked it. That helped tell me how far along the steak was. It kind of had an airy bounce back to it. That let me know that it's almost done, but not quite. So yeah, once again, I'm just setting the timer to 5 minutes. Okay, so I actually let it go through for about 7-8 minutes because it seemed like it wasn't done, but when you see when I cut in, it wasn't quite perfectly medium, but it was cooked pretty well. So I think 5 minutes would have been perfect. Now I know some of you are being like, shouldn't you wait 5 minutes? Yes, you should, but I want to get right into it for the video. Alright, look at that juicy red center. And I am cutting it like this because it's going with a dish. I believe it was like a Parmesan mushroom spaghetti dish, which you'll see here in a second, and it was delicious. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and subscribe and hit the like button.
Uh-huh.